Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. My mom got this for me, and we're gonna decorate a bunch of booyah cookies. Booyah cookies. And look at all these ingredients to color it. Look at all that. Look at all these cookie shapes. And look what it looks like. It's showing you how to paint it. That's awesome. Let's get to it. That's not a nice face. That's not a nice face.
Would be a nice face.
Hold up. Oh, I found out. I found out. Woo! Yes, we got into the cookies. Wow. You picked the basket? I picked the basket too. Let's show them our ingredients.
The bottom and that's the top.
Here is one of our ingredients, like gumballs, but they're tinier than gumballs. And these are like gumballs, but they're crunchy, not chewy. Okay. And this is some pink paint. Here is some yellow paint. Here is some white paint. That's all the ingredients. And all we have is duck, basket, bunny, cookie. It's 4 things.
Flour.
Oh.
And we got bunnies, ducks, and a basket.
Look at this. This is a cookie. It looks like a cookie.
They're all cookies. All right, start decorating.
Woo! Decorate. Okay, decorate. I found out that there was a lid. All right, now let's do it. Look, this is like real decorating at Easter. At Easter.
But it's way after Easter now.
Yep.
So we're just decorating for fun.
Easter. This is my Easter.
Bless you.
Thanks.
You okay?
Yeah. I'm gonna use some water. I'm gonna use some light.
You can open it. It's fine.
Yeah, this lid is hardest.
What are you making?
Goes down and up. Goes down and up.
Yep. Oh, and you're using dots and squigglies?
Those are the cookies.
Yeah, all the cookies in the basket.
Yep.
Now remember, you have confetti pieces.
What are confettis?
These little confettis, or you have little colorful balls to put on there.
I'm done. How do you... Wow. You're done with it? I need it. I need it.
Do you want yellow or white?
Oh, this.
Oh, you gonna decorate another one?
Oh, you're done? Alright, let's start.
Do you want to put confetti or anything on it?
Yeah. Give her the confetti.
Okay, you got the duck. The little chick. What color would you like?
White.
White. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's like a man saying it like a girl.
It doesn't have a lid on it.
Does have a lid on.
Does it? Okay. Ooh. Nice.
Yep.
Nice basket,
That
Raphael.
pink is some of the wall.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right.
Oh, you're making eyeballs? Yeah. The chick has eyes. One eye.
Open these, please.
2 eye.
Make sure it
Sure.
doesn't fly out.
Okay, it's open on the end there.
Thank you. What I needed was confetti.
And that's open on the end.
Hey, I need a flower one. I need a flower.
Ooh, yeah.
I need a flower. Some white got on my finger.
You want to try some confetti pieces to put on your... There's some confetti.
What are they
You can
called?
put the confetti pieces.
Alright, I think I'm really bad at dipping.
Is it good? Oh, they're hard.
Oh, yummy. They're crunchy. Oh, I got some white. I liked it.
Okay.
Have them do their fingers. A flower.
Flowers.
Flower cookie first. Be flower cookie. Let's see when they get stuck. Flower gets stuck here. Gets stuck here. Gets stuck in here. Gets stuck in here. Gets stuck over here. Gets stuck here. Up here. This is all going to be stuck.
It's a very colorful basket.
And that's a really nice basket.
And you're making a flower now?
Yes. Ooh. I think I need a helper to do this with me.
If it doesn't stick, you need to put more icing down because the icing sticks the confetti.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like glue.
Uh-huh.
I'll need one more.
Yeah, you gotta get it in the circle there. Very good.
Well, here, Abigail.
And then Abigail can have these confettis on her plate and you can decorate with them.
Da-dun, 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 da-dun.
Which one would you like me to decorate?
I would like you to decorate the bunny because it's for Easter. It's the Easter symbol.
Okay, I will decorate
You go first.
the bunny.
Bunny and the you know what an Easter bunny,
Bunny
is for?
and the basket? Okay. What?
It's the symbol
Yes.
of Easter.
Yes, there's other symbols of Easter too.
I will like the America flag.
But we have to learn about that later.
Yep. I already learned about it, so no thanks. I don't want to learn about it. I'm going to decorating the Easter bunny too. Everyone is decorating the Easter bunny. Put some in the eye, on the nose, all right through the ear. Look at this, Mommy. I'm gonna make an eye now, a real eye. Oh, pink, please. Pink? What pink? Oh, you mean a pink? Pink. Have you just make a pile of stuff that you made? I need the white. Thanks for sharing with me, Abigail. It looks really awesome, Mommy.
Thank you.
Here you go, Mommy. Here's these. Here's these, Mommy. Whatever one you drop, I'll use. Doesn't stick. I need more yellow. Oh. Well, that's already low.
You want to put some confetti on there?
Yes. I already put 2 confetti.
Awesome.
Why don't you put confetti and stuff on there? I do.
Make it colorful.
Stick it all in there. Look how great I'm doing with Abigail's project.
All right, that's her project though.
Since I'm done defeat the egg, that means I'll defeat it and color it. Because we eat chickens that grow up. Sweat, red, green. Mustard eyes. Red. Oh, the white, red. Call it pink, Abigail, because it's
Got
pink.
a bill and 2 eyes
What's a bill?
and a shell. A bill is their beak. It's a different name
Here you go.
for a beak.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Yeah, put them right here. Which one do you want to decorate now?
The flower? I haven't decorated that yet. It'll be the last one I'm decorating.
I want this. I want this. I want this.
Okay. But you already have one here. You want to put a pink in the center or an orange in the center?
It's in the center.
The center is the middle.
Very good. It's looking great.
Whatever ones that don't stick. I'm making sure.
Oh no, this bunny had an accident. Oh no. Ah, it's missing.
Ears.
Good bunny. It's right here.
Yep, you got one more bunny.
Yep. Last bunny alive. I'll just go.
Oh.
Oh. Daddy was just measuring me like a measure tape.
How tall are you?
I don't know. Daddy didn't tell me. Alright. Now turn the camera off for a bit. Uh-oh. Losing leaf.
Uh-oh. Had an accident. Uh-oh. That one had an accident. So this was mine.
Can I eat it?
Abigail's. Ooh, like this. This was Abigail's and Raphael's decorations. Another Abigail.
That one is like Abigail's, but more
Yeah.
than Abigail's.
I think you're just having fun eating it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And when Grandma comes over, she can have some too.
Mm-hmm.
Can we eat yours?
Today?
Yeah,
she's
Grandma and
coming?
Grandpa.
Can eat
Is she coming today?
You'll see her tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Which one do you think this fell off of? I think it fell off of the basket.
Squeeze with 2 hands. You can do it.
Don't have to do it.
Just squeeze it.
I can't.
Look at mine.
You have 2 colors, white and yellow. Half white, half yellow.
What? And no.
Let's make a ginormous dot.
Right there in the center.
And one
Run to the center.
everywhere.
Wow.
That's everywhere.
Doing really good.
This is like his stomach,
Mm-hmm.
because his stomach is red. But in the outside, his stomach is white. I mean yellow,
Yep.
like that over here.
His chicks are yellow.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Abigail, would you like to say something?
Yes.
What?
Thank you. Subscribe.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye.
Subscribe to our videos.
Bye. Bye.
We have a thing to climb on, and it's called a dome.
I don't
Like something you bounce away from when you jump on it, but it's for climbing. Bye! Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.